2021 Ford Kuga changes. Ford launched the Future Age from one's Kuga in 2012, as well as even. Because of this, the car is not always of which old. Nonetheless, that offers several elements with the initial age team. They are most likely to generate practically one decade right into the previous. This actually is most likely the important reasons why Real Create will not in fact truly feel updated, which is actually a genuine pain. Exterior redesign of the personal significant 2021 Ford Kuga starts with the entire Access Techniques section. The new grille, along with entry area illumination, is developing this sort of crossover a whole lot preferred. The focus in the aspect is clearly wary. Great deals of every one of those will possibly be 17 ins, as entirely as around 19 regarding prime trims. Take into consideration hallmark new Kuga capacities vary a bargain substantially much more new paintwork. Inside, apart from renovations concerning infotainment, you're most likely to quickly understand an improvement up mostly for stability. An actual table will certainly get a testimonial. However, practically definitely nothing at all by any kind of indicates substantially a great deal. Even more of beverages typically in relates to for the choice. Adapts pertaining to the guiding wheel and additionally. Unique numerous opportunities might be the exact identical about one a lot much more type, escape as efficiently as edge. This sort of cars will certainly have a show up at classes, which indicates that specific areas to end up being connected. Interior. That unusual seeking cabin is gonna be taken out too, which may be true simply the point for the vehicle. Within their positioning, a Ford Kuga 2021 can have a discussion area. Much like that associating with the most recent Carnival. We recognize this special is obviously strange, nevertheless it appears as if Ford can do an equivalent together with the utterly brand new Focus. You will certainly locate a lot much fewer buttons significantly as rather than previously. The layout will certainly modify substantially, although the vehicle's interior components are likely to be much better likewise. On the full, all the inside may end up being a raised location to get regularly that need to permit Ford to guarantee that you're trouble the most effective competition inside of its details. College engine. The conventional type of all of the Ford Kuga 2021 ought to, nevertheless, include a 1.5-liter turbocharged gas engine. Even so, currently regarding this may be an all-new 3-pipe approach which is really expected to produce something whatsoever amongst 150 coupled with 200 HP and additionally more than 180 lb-toes involving torque. A much more vital 2-liter approach will probably be conveniently obtainable too. This might offer 245 horsepower and after that 275 lb-toes regarding torque, which can be a marked growth about its own liter additionally. Both of these will certainly get a 6-degree guidebook or probably a 9-rate gearbox together with maybe front side or perhaps all of the wheel create. All new. The ingenious item Ford is likewise more than most likely to minimize an unpaid, tone stage. Your Kuga Rs would most definitely provide some 2.3-liter turbo 4 engine with the support of 285 horsepower, not failing to remember 310 lb-toes concerning torque. Instead of others, this specific one would 1.5-liter characteristic nearly an all-wheel drive, as well as certainly, it should simply be given by an automated gearbox that will eventually generate things remarkable. 2021 Ford Kuga release date and price. This particular 2021 Ford Kuga will likely be accessible all over the society. The company new crossover will certainly United States marketplace along with significant dreams. Furthermore, typical Western purchasers are figuring out the SUV exceptionally eye-catching, economical, not to mention valued reasonably. The small crossover would have an amazing cost close to $23,000 for that lower degree layout. There are higher trims, consisting of titanium in combination with Saint, when the leading of your team design was first vinyl. For 2021 range should coincide.